Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Welcome to Resto Tara Channel. Nandito lang po yung likod para bigyan kayo isang soulful, meaningful letter reading. Dito lang po sa inyo lagi naabangan. At sa sabibayan ng Resto Tara Channel. Ito po ang reading natin ngayon ay para sa ating mga pinakamahal na Virgo. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Tingnan natin ano po mga dapat mong asahan. Ganap yung energy sa reading na ito. And welcome po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala sa po at pagmamahal. I hope you're doing great. I hope nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan, healthy, and of course, you're happy. Sa ating mga soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Alright, huwag nating patagalin pa ito. For you, Virgo, kunin na natin yung 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, 10 cards please for Virgo. Thank you so much po ha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one. Alright. Sige, Virgo. Your 10 cards are now ready. Huwag na natin pang patagalin pa ito. Sige. Kamusta mga Virgo peeps, mga Virgo kong soulmates? I hope you're doing great. Let's begin. Oh, Virgo with the 2 of Cups. I can see her na parang I'm not saying na parang there's a severe, parang medyo malala. But why don't you check your health? Kasi parang yung health dito na the energy na nararamdaman ko dito is Virgo, there's something wrong about your health. Maybe the universe or your body is sending a signal or a sign for your body, pero parang ini-ignore mo lang ito. Maaring physical and even mental ay parang hindi okay or hindi stable yung health mo ngayon as of the moment. So, take it easy, pakiramdaman ang katawan, and wag itong papabayaan or wag i-ignore kung ano man nararamdaman mo. Pumunta agad sa nurse, doctor, or sa health center magpa-check up, check your blood pressure, check your sugar level, o kung ano man yan, kasi parang there's something wrong talaga ako na-feel dito with your health. So, something is wrong, that's why it is necessary, Virgo. But if wala naman, so that's a very good thing. Continue na maging aware or kumbaga maging conscious sa iyong kalusugan. Alright, kasi Virgo, parang lately parang medyo exhausted ka mentally, parang ang daming mga bagay ka namang inaayos or parang kinakaharap, and parang naapektuhan na naman dito yung kalusugan. Alright, tingnan natin. Oh, 7 of Swords is Virgo. I can see her na parang you're doing your best para kahit papano ay makapapalaya ng iyong sarili sa mga past traumas, past failures na parang pinagdaanan mo talaga. Hindi ito lingid sa kalaman ng karamihan na talagang lately, past 3 months to 6 months ago, it's like you're parang gumuho ang buhay mo na you don't understand what happened or hindi mo alam kung paano muling babangon. That's why ngayon na parang unti-unti na nagkaroon ng solusyon ang lahat, unti-unti mo muling binubuo yung pieces ng buhay mo na nawasak, ay you're doing your best kahit pa paano ay unti-unting mag-move on. You're slowly realizing na wala kang makukuha or walang mangyayari kapag patuloy kang nag-dwell or nag-hold on dun sa mga past experiences na hindi na maibabalik or nangyari na. Okay, with the 7 of Swords, you're doing your best. Okay? Hindi man ito mabilisan, Virgo, but at least that is a good thing na kumikilos ka na or gumagawa ka na ng action kahit paano para mapagaan ang iyong damdamin, ang iyong buhay with in terms of your kumbaga mga failures and mga painful experiences na naranasan mo itong mga nakaraang buwan na taon. Alright? So, pangatlo, okay, Virgo, 10 of Pentacles is here. Maybe you're questioning as of now yung sitwasyon mo. But alam naman natin na karamihan talaga sa mga Virgo, isa sa pinaka-problema na pinagdaanan this past, sabi ko, 6 months and a year ago is about finances. Tinamaan talaga yung finances nyo na although meron kayong mga na-save before, meron kayong mga naipundar, but it seems na parang muli itong nawala, nabawi. It's because of a certain situation or isang bagay na kumbagang sinettle mo na may kinalaman talaga, it involves a big amount of money. And with the 10 of Pentacles here, you don't need to madali lang sabihin to sa akin, but believe me, if you have faith in the universe, I know that Virgo people have a very intuitive na mga tao, and alam nila na talagang if there's something big about to come, talagang ramdam nila yan. And with the 10 of Pentacles here, Virgo, you just need to believe and you need to accept this thing kasi Ten of Pentacles, a massive, okay, turn around in terms of finances. Malaking pera ito, hindi lang to basta-basta. Kumbaga, this will be a surprise blessing for you. Malaking mitutulong nito. Although, sabi ko, hindi pa totally nasasolve yung problema mo na may kinalaman sa pera, but at least there's a good news that is coming on your way kapag pera pinag-usapan, Virgo. I-claim mo na to, ang daming pera nito, maaring tulong, maaring sa iba-ibang paraan ito manggaling. And talagang, what I'm saying is that talagang you are going to use this one para matuldo ka na, masolve na itong mga problema and mga worries mo in terms of finances or kaperahan. Okay, Virgo? Ang ganda. Okay, Tower. Okay, Tower is ending. Collapse of a certain institution, situation. Um, Tanggapin mo ang reality, Virgo, na talagang maraming magbabago sa buhay mo. Maraming mawawala. Maraming matatapos, lalong-lalo na yung mga sitwasyon, friendship, relationship, workplace na maaring yung mga routine mo everyday, mga habits na parang lately, paulit-ulit mong ginagawa na stuck ka sa cycle, ngayon mawawala na yan, matatapos. Maraming mga changes, sudden changes, sudden movements na mangyayari sa buhay mo with the Tower card. All of this is about to end for the better. Hindi yan matatapos, hindi yan mawawasak o matatanggal para sa Virgo kung walang mas magandang kapalit. Okay? Kailangan lang natin maging adaptive, kailangan natin sumabay sa flow. Okay? Everything happens for a reason. I know Virgo people are very smart. And alam niyo lahat yan. Okay? Alam niyo yan, Virgo, na lahat ng dumarating sa buhay natin ay it's just a matter of test and lahat ng mga nawawala or lahat ng mga bagay na hindi nag-work para sa atin ay may dahilan ng universe para dyan. Okay? So with the Tower card here, Virgo, expect mga bagay na mawawala or tatanggalin ng universe na papalitan niya ng mas maganda. Okay? That's why you need to ready. You need to prepare yourself para sa mas maganda and mas prosperous, okay? Mas abundant na buhay na meron ka. Eto. Paglima mo baraha, Ace of Pentacles. This is a big amount of blessing talaga na parating sa'yo. Sinasabi ko, okay, kaya you need to prepare yourself, Virgo. Maaring you don't understand what is happening right now sa sitwasyon mo. Nasa sitwasyon ka na, Virgo, ngayon na parang gulong-gulo yung isipan mo, parang hindi mo naiintindihan ng lahat. May mga bagay na gusto kong gawin, andyan na, hawak kamay mo na, biglang mawawala. Biglang, there's an opportunity, biglang magbaback out or everything. So, always believe that all of the things that are happening, sabi ko, ay may magandang dahilan. And with the Ace of Pentacles here, something new, something start, you're going to start all over again. But this is massive. Mas malaki ito. Mas maganda. Okay, so i-claim na ito, Virgo. Talaga sabi ko, tuloy-tuloy. Starting April, di ba sinabi ko sa mga reading ko with April na talagang makakahinga na kayo ng malalim, Virgo. This is like a recovery period for you. This is a harvest season for you, Virgo. Tuloy-tuloy na ito. You don't need to worry. You don't need to kumbaga, stress yourself. You just need to believe and claim this thing na talagang parating na ito para sa Virgo. Alright? Before we proceed to our last 5 cards sa ating second row, kapag nagustuhan nyo pong ating reading ngayon at di po ka nag-subscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this po sa ating TikTok account rin, so Taro444, follow na rin po ha. And if you want to avail a private reading, important notice po, hindi po ako yung unang mag-message sa inyo to over a private reading. Kayo po ang mag-message sa akin sapagkat mga scammer po yan ang gagaya po nating account. Kayo po ang unang magsasend na message sa aking TikTok account. Pag-usapan po natin kung paano po kayo makakapag-avail ng private reading. Alright, Virgo, let's continue this beautiful reading with your 6th card, Knight of Wands. So take it easy, Virgo. Success is not can be done, can be received overnight. It takes patience, it takes courage, it takes a control. Alright? So Virgo, ayan yung mga pangarap mo, ayan yung goals mo, yung 3 pyramid, dyan ka papunta. You're on the right track. Tama yung path na tinatahak mo. But hindi ito kailangan madaliin. Kailangan ito ng pasensya, ng sipag, ng control, ng disiplina. So kailangan talaga. Because if you give up easily, and baka mabagot ka, at baka mamaya magmadali ka, so you are not going to go to the destination that you wanted. Okay, with the Knight of Wands here, so kailangan talagang tiyagain or kailangan mo talaga ng trabahuin ito ng maayos. I know, Virgo, you're very good in terms of patience. I know, Virgo, na talagang kapag may pangarap kayo, pag may vision kayo, may gusto kang mangyari, kahit ganito katagal, kahit ganito kahirap, ipaglalaban niyo to. And ang gusto ko na sabihin with the Knight of Wands here, Virgo, tama yung path na tinatahak mo. You just need to move forward, focus ka dito, but you don't need to be distracted. Okay? So, focus ka lang sa goals mo. Tama na yung mga panahon na napapapekto ka sa mga sinasabi ng ibang tao sa paligid. So, this is the moment, okay? This is the moment for you to shine. King of Wands. So, transformation, Virgo. Cheer up. Go out of your comfort zone. Kung may mga Virgo pa dyan na parang may mga tinatago-tago pang galing, mga skills, talent, natatakot pa, nahihiya pa, this is not the time para patagalin pa yan. So, go out of your comfort zone. Huwag kang mahiya. Ipakita mo sa lahat kung anong meron ka, kung anong galing mo na meron ka. Maaring kakaiba man ito. Maybe this is weird for other people, but as long as legal yan, as long as dyan ka masaya, hindi mo kailangan approval ng ibang tao. Kasi for a long time, Virgo, parang nanahimik ka, nasa isang sulok ka lang, hindi ka lumabas, nag-deactivate ka, hindi ka naparamdam. But this time, with the King of Wands here, you are advised by the universe, Virgo, to level up. Okay, lumabas na ng iyong shell, talaga lumabas na ng closet mo, ipakita mo ng galing mo regarding kung ipakita mo ng nararamdaman mo, sabihin mo kung ano man ang talento na meron ka, kung ano man ang galing ka, kailangan, it is the best time para ma-discover na ito ng lahat. Okay, maaring nagdadalawang isip ka pa, may gusto kang gawin, but maybe nagdadalawang, sabi ko nga, parang nagdududa ka pa kung gagawin mo pa ito because baka mahihiya ka sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. No, Virgo, this is the best time. Okay, para ilabas mo na yung galing mo. Right? Pangwalo, ito. Speaking of galing, with this star card here, okay, you will be shining. Magiging matunog ang pangalan mo. Makikilala ka. Pag-uusapan yung skills and craft mo. Kung ano man yung ginagawa nyo. Kung nasa social media ka ba, nasa business ka ba, nasa workplace ka pa, kung ano man yan, nasa music industry, kung ano man, arts. So, this is the best time, Virgo, ilabas mo yan. Huwag ka na magdalawang isip pa. With this star card here, this is also about healing and moving on. Abundance also. And with that 10 of Pentacles here, malaki matutulong yan. Maaring nagdadalawang isip ka, maybe you're questioning, baka minamalit mo yung maaring maitulong yan. Yung bagay na gusto mong gawin, baka, ay wala naman, kailangan ko ng mas malaking, kailangan ko ng mas magandang trabaho, na mas malaking kita, baka yung pag-vlog na yan, baka mamaya itong pagpinta-pinta ko, pagkanta-kanta na yan is wala naman ako makikita in terms of money. No, don't underestimate the power of your talent. Okay, sabi ko nga with this star card here, with the 10 of Pentacles here, baka magulat ka, yan pa yung makapagbigay sa'yo ng stability in terms of money and finances. Right? Virgo, ilabas mo na yan. The star card is here. You are guaranteed that your life will be talked about. Okay? Pag-uusapan ka, kikinang like a star, you will be shining like a star, Virgo. Pangsyamong baraha, which is very beautiful. Oh, look! Victory, success. Grabe, Virgo. Todo na to. Wala akong masabi sa reading na to. Kaya may tower moment, kaya may mga matatapos, may mawawasak, may mawawala, may mag-e-end. It's because may kapalit na mas maganda. Victory and success is here. Good news. Okay, tagumpay. Tingnan mo. Sabi ko, if you're going to work with social media, kung ano man yan, mga podcast, blog ba yan, website, you will be gaining followers, may tagasunod ka. Okay? Do it now, Virgo. Baka nahihiya ka pa, baka nagdadalawang isip ka, baka magdududa ka pa sa galing mo. No. Paano mo masusubukan kung hindi mo sisimulan? Victory card is here. Okay, I can see, Virgo, na talagang susundan, you will be setting an inspiration to other people. They will be inspired by you. They will be listening to you, Virgo. Because you're the kind of person na talagang sabi ko, ang mga Virgo, walang problema na hindi nasusolusyonan ng mag-isa lang. That's why nagugulat ang mga tao paano nyo nagagawa yan. And that you will be serving as inspiration. You will be inspiring a lot of people. And they will listen to you. They will asking for your advice. They will asking for an opinion. Okay? And that thing, dyan magsisimula ang lahat. Dyan na madidiscover mo, okay, may talent pala ako sa ganito. And that will be the plot twist kung bakit may tinanggal, kung bakit may mawawala sa buhay ng Virgo. Kasi may mas magandang kapalit. Mas maganda bakit dyan ka masaya, yan ang gusto mo. And dyan ka komportable, Virgo. Victory and success is here. I-claim mo na ito, Virgo. 10th and last card mo, Virgo, with this very, very beautiful and extraordinary reading. 8 of Pentacles is here. Tingnan mo kung gaano ka-connected ang cards. May parating na malaki. Sabi ko, mas maganda. Talagang this is amazing, this is massive with the Ace of Pentacles, pera, blessing, good news na may kinalaman sa pera, and yung 10th and last card was 8 of Pentacles. Your life will be busy. Malayo ito sa dating Virgo na parang stagnant, parang walang growth, walang progress na nangyari, matumal lahat-lahat, parang hindi gumagalaw ang buhay. And now, i-claim na to Virgo, the 8 of Pentacles, there's a lot of opportunities that will be opening for you na magkakos ng buhay mo para maging busy sa paggawa ng pera. Trabaho, business side hustle, kung ano man mga part-time, kung ano man mga pagkakakitaan mo na malaki, may tutulong sa'yo para makapag-contribute, para masolusyonan mo na, para matapos mo na yung mga problema mo may kinalaman sa pera, makapag-save ka, makapagsimula ka muli, makapag-invest ka muli. So, everything about money, earning, is talagang parating sa iyo, Virgo. So, claim mo na ito. Oh, these are very beautiful cards. 8 of Pentacles are here. Ace of Pentacles are here. 10 of Pentacles. Ang daming pera dito, Virgo, na parating. May matatapos with the Tower card. Mga toxic situation, mga hindi na magandang relationship, trabaho. Victory card is here. Panalo ito. Star, your life will be shining. Makikilala, maging matunog ang pangalan mo. And slowly, you're doing your best para makapag-move on, para mapalaya ang sarili mo sa mga past traumas and painful experiences na naranasan mo na hindi na nakakatulong sa iyo. Okay? So, just monitor your health. Huwag i-ignore ang mga nararamdaman. And with the Knight of Wands here, just be patient and work hard and have the discipline and control about waiting for something. But believe me, something great, something big, massive ang parating sa buhay mo, Virgo. Claim na to. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much, Virgo, sa pagsama nitong napakagandang reading natin. I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sa inyo, Virgo, makapanood ito ngayon. Maraming salamat mga soulmates ng Virgo sa inyong laging panonood at pag-aabang suporta. Nasa mga kayo naroroon at mga ginagawa nyo, mag-iingat po kayo lagi. And God bless us all.